100% cotton. Imported. Washcloth for face and body. Ideal for bath time, washing up at sink, a cooling compress, and more. Include 6 washcloths made of 100% cotton for softness, strength, and absorbency. Fade-resistant navy blue color. Classic and simple pique border design. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Product dimensions: 12 by 12 inches, LXW. These cotton towels and washcloths offer the perfect combination of softness and strength. Available in multiple sizes and colors. Fade-resistant and durable, these towels are lightweight, quick-drying, and feature reinforced edges to prevent unraveling. Made of 100% spun cotton, the towels feature a looped terry weave for enhanced absorption and moisture retention. Machine washable, these durable cotton towels stand up to daily use and frequent laundering. Top reviews from the United States. Major lint problems, but excellent otherwise. Pretty absorbent for hand towels. Good thickness. They're actually fade-resistant and don't bleed dye in the first wash. The only problem I've had so far is that they shed a lot of lint, even from casual use.